Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel where we find the best fitness gear to keep you in top shape today. We're rolling into the world of stability and strength as we explore the best exercise balls on the market. We'll bounce through durability, size options, and user experience to help you pick the perfect one. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. URBN Fit Exercise Yoga Balance Ball. The URBN Fit Exercise Ball has garnered significant popularity, with many users satisfied with their purchase. We found it notably easy to inflate, thanks in part to the included hand pump, which, although requiring some effort, works more quickly than foot pumps. The accompanying workout instructions are straightforward and can be accessed on your phone, adding to its user-friendliness. Additionally, it is available in a broad array of colors, allowing for personal customization. However, it's important to note that this ball is not as robust or long-lasting as those of professional quality. It is made from a thinner, lighter PVC material, and there have been numerous reports of it bursting or failing to retain air, unlike the firmer, more supportive balls we prefer for both exercise and seating. This one is squishier and more bouncy. It also proved to be one of the most slippery options we tested. While it is priced similarly to other balls with comparable features and performance, the overall value might not be the best. Nevertheless, user reviews clearly show that the URBN Fit Exercise Ball remains a highly favored choice. Pros: requires minimal effort for inflation, capable of retaining its structure, won't move from its position, includes a handy workout sheet. Cons: more expensive than others. Number 2. Balancrum Anti-Burst Resistant Exercise Ball. The Balancrum Anti-Burst Ball stands out for its affordability compared to similar products on the market. With little variation in performance among the most popular exercise balls, its lower price significantly enhances its value. The ball is easy to inflate and includes a size guide tape measure, though it lacks explicit instructions. Our thorough research indicates fewer incidents of sudden bursting with this ball than with its competitors, which increases our confidence in its safety. However, it is less supportive and tends to be squishier than other options we tested, making it less suitable for extended periods of sitting. Additionally, when inflated to the recommended 65 cm mark on the included tape measure, it appeared noticeably smaller than other 65 cm balls in our comparison. The materials and construction were as described by the manufacturer, and appeared to be of good quality. A downside noted during testing was the quality of the included pump, which felt flimsy and poorly constructed. This led us to rate the product 4 out of 5 instead of a perfect score. On a positive note, we appreciated the helpful size chart on the product page, which aids customers in selecting the appropriate ball size. Number 3. Trideer Extra Thick Yoga Ball Exercise Ball. Right from the unboxing, it was evident that the Trideer Exercise Ball was of superior quality, characterized by its robust heavy-duty PVC exterior. The package was complete with a foot pump, a paper measuring tape, air stoppers, and a plug remover, all precisely as described by the manufacturer. These contents contributed to our assigning a 45 rating for quality to the Trideer ball. One notable feature is the ball's semi-matte texture, which provides a good level of grip. This texture enhanced comfort during use, as it did not irritate the skin or snag on clothing, factors that nearly earned it a perfect comfort score. Nevertheless, we encountered some slipping when the ball was used under conditions simulating sweaty legs and arms, leading us to adjust the comfort rating to 45. Additionally, the ball comes with 2 air stoppers and a foot pump, allowing for easy adjustments to maintain its firmness as needed. The BPA-free construction of the ball also ensures it is safe and won't cause skin irritations, adding to its overall appeal and usability. Pros: high anti-burst capacity, non-slip surface, thick wall made with durable PVC, ideal for heavy-duty exercises. Cons: pump lacks durability. Number 4. Live Infinitely Professional Grade Exercise Ball. The Live Infinitely Professional Grade Exercise Ball is distinguished by its robustness. Featuring thicker walls than many of the models we tested, this design reduces the risk of sudden bursts, even if punctured, providing a reassuring sense of security compared to the thinner, lighter alternatives. The ball is also marketed as being made from eco-friendly PVC. While we could not confirm all the claims regarding its environmental benefits, we did notice a significantly reduced toxic smell upon unpacking and inflating the ball. A common issue with many exercise balls, however. Our main criticism of this ball is its slick surface, which does not offer as much grip as we would prefer for certain exercises. Despite its sturdier construction, there are still some online reports of the ball bursting unexpectedly, so caution is advisable. Overall, this ball is a solid choice for those seeking a firm, supportive exercise tool made from less toxic materials. Pros: thicker, more robust walls, less smelly when first opened, firm and supportive. Cons: a bit slick, still some bursting complaints. Number 5. Galsports Home Gym Exercise Ball. At 55 centimeters in diameter, the Galsports Exercise Ball is an excellent addition to your balance and core workout routine, offering affordability without compromising quality. Its internal honeycomb structure enhances durability, minimizing the risk of bursting and ensuring gradual deflation for safety during use. A non-slip coating on the external surface provides stability, preventing unwanted movement while exercising. Constructed from sturdy PVC material, this ball is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Capable of supporting weights up to 330 pounds without experiencing structural deformation, its phthalate-free and BPA-free composition prioritizes skin health, offering peace of mind during workouts. With its versatile design, the Galsports ball serves multiple purposes, serving as a physio ball, pregnancy aid, or lumbar support during long workdays. Available in 2 colors and 4 sizes ranging from 38 to 75 centimeters in diameter, it caters to various preferences and needs. Additionally, its easy inflation and deflation make it a convenient and portable option for on-the-go fitness routines. Pros: inflates easily with a foot pump, slowly deflates even when punctured. Acts as a multifunctional ball. Cons: weight tolerance could be higher.